Hello friends, this is Albi Rider and today I am going to explain my Duke 250 speedometer. So let's start. So this is turn indicator. So when I am switching to this indicator, then this indicator will blink. Then next to this indicator symbol, this will go up after you will start your bike in ride your bike in 4 to 5 kilometers. So next to this symbol, this is a shift RPM. So when you rev up your bike very hard, that is up to very high RPM, then this shift RPM will glow. I will show you here. So like this shift RPM will glow. Then next to this is a neutral symbol. So now my vehicle is in neutral, so this symbol will glow. So next to this neutral symbol, this is a high beam symbol. So when I put my switch to high beam, then this light will glow. You can see here. Or this is a pass symbol. So moving to next, this is RPM indicator. So now my vehicle is off, that's why this is showing 0. This is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 13 RPM. That is, you can multiply into 1000 RPM. So you will get actual RPM, that is 1 into 1000 RPM, 2000 RPM, 3000 RPM up to 13,000 RPM. So when my vehicle is in idle, it showed up to 2000 RPM. I will show you here. So it's showing up to 2000 RPM because my vehicle is now in idle. So below this RPM indicator, here is a gear shifting indicator. So my vehicle is in neutral position. That's why this is here indicating 0 gear. That is it. And after that, the right side of this gear shifting indicator, here is a speed indicator. So when we are riding the vehicle, this speed shows here. So next to speed indicator, here is a odometer. So you can see here odometer. So this is a trip F. The trip F is showing when your vehicle is in reserve condition. So now my vehicle is in reserve condition, so that's why it's trip F is showing. So this is a odometer. So my vehicle is ran 1171 kilometer. And while pressing this mode button, you can shift to trip 1. This is a trip 1. And this is a trip. So for reset trip, you have to press this set button for 5 to 10 seconds. So here you can see my trip 2 is reset now. So after that, here is a low fuel level indicator. Also it gets actual FC, that means how many kilometer I have rode my vehicle, and for that how much fuel I required. So then this is a side stand down indicator. So my now side stand down. So that's it. All KTM models have some features that you can convert your speed into kilometer per hour. Here kilometer per hour into miles per hour. You have to set this. So you can see here I am converted this kilometer per hour into miles per hour. So my trip 1 is also showing 409.1 miles, it is not in kilometer. This is also my odometer reading changes to miles. This is 728 miles. So we reset the miles per hour to kilometer per hour. We have more options we can see here. Is liter per 100 miles or miles per US gallon. US gallon per 100 miles, miles per UK. We have to set this. So moving to downside, here you can see cooler temperature indicator. So these have total 13 bars. You can now my vehicle is cool, so it shows only 2 bar here. So when my vehicle gets hot, then it will show here hot. And this is C means cool and cold and hot. So after that, on this side there is a fuel meter. So my vehicle now is my reserve condition, so it shows less, and this actually has 9 row. And this is a clock, so we can set also clock here. So for setting this clock, we have to press this mode and set button simultaneously. So for resetting hours, you can press mode button here. It's 21, 22, 23. So here we have to reset this time again. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, and you can also set your minutes by pressing this set button. 34, 35. So after reset this time, you have to press these 2 buttons again. So now my time is set here.